create the most competitive CV joint and drive shaft manufacturer all over the world. Zhejiang ODM Transmission Technology Company Limited. Zhejiang ODM Transmission Technology Company Limited is a Sino-foreign joint venture enterprise with the capability for research and development, engineering and manufacturing of CV joint and drive shaft. Its precursor, Taizhou Hongli Auto Parts Industrial Company Limited, has more than 30 years of experience in CV joint and drive shaft manufacturing. Since 1987, the company started in the production of CV joint and drive shaft. In 2005, the company invested more than $20 million to set up Pinghu manufacturing facility. Currently, the company has more than 1,000 employees, covering an area of 140,000 square meters, by upholding core values of concentration, innovation, honesty, responsibility, plus the implementation of continuous improvement in management, manufacturing, and technical innovations. ODM has grown into one of the most competitive enterprises in China and global automotive drive shaft industry. R&D is one of the main drives behind ODM's growth. Since it was established, the company has strong commitment and continuous implementation of development and technical innovation. During these years, ODM maintained a high level of research investment, and the continuous improvement of product design, product standardization, and manufacturing process, as well as on-site management, has effectively increased the production efficiency and reduced production cost. Meanwhile, through the cooperation with universities and research institutions as well as independent innovation projects, ODM continuously cultivates its R&D team. ODM has received over 70 types of authorized patents so far and obtained the National Intellectual Property Management System certification in 2017. Over the years, ODM had been recognized as National High-Tech Enterprise, as well as other recognitions such as Zhejiang Innovative Pilot Enterprise, Enterprise Research Institute, Enterprise Technology Center, and received many honorary titles like Zhejiang Provincial Famous Brand, Export Commodity Brand, as well as Pinghu Meritorious Enterprise. For many years, ODM was also awarded with Excellent Quality Award, On-Time Delivery Award, and Quality Breakthrough Award by car manufacturers. Professional equipment achieves reliable quality. ODM has successively invested hundreds of millions RMB to bring in advanced equipment covering the entire manufacturing process from Germany, Italy, Japan, and Taiwan region. ODM regards quality as life, and the product's quality is always our top priority. In recent years, ODM has implemented over 30 professional testing devices, covering the entire testing process from raw material to the finished products. Capabilities of tests include NVH test, cycle life test, torsion, fatigue, strength test, static torsion test, high and low temperature dynamic test, grease life test, rubber boot series test, salt spray test, and the spectrum test, etc. ODM has also obtained the International Quality Management Certification of IATF 16949. In 2016, ODM received the National Laboratory CNASA certification, as well as the Jiaxing Mayor Quality Award in 2018. The stable quality has laid a firm foundation for ODM's continuous development into the future. Scale production determines scale benefits. Currently, ODM has developed more than 5,000 types of CV joint and drive shaft for a variety of domestic and foreign car makers. The annual production capacity of CV joint reaches to 10 million pieces, and drive shaft more than 6 million sets. The models cover American, German, French, Korean, Japanese, Chinese, and special utility vehicles. Gaining customers' trust is our management policy. ODM people are committed to provide the best product and service to the global OEM and aftermarket customers. The company continuously cooperates with many well-known OEM domestic and international car manufacturers by simultaneously developing products to meet their specific requirements, and has launched T1 and T2 international OEM projects in the Middle East, Europe, and United States. ODM is also a major supplier for many famous global automotive after-sales brands. The ODM brand is widely recognized in Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, and other markets. The product information has also entered the world-renowned TechDoc platform. To be closer to the market and its customers, ODM has also set up professional marketing teams in America, Europe, Turkey, and Middle East to provide timely and professional service. ODM has concentrated on increasing the enterprise's core competitiveness and emphasizes in bringing the advantage of ODM manufacturing to the worldwide car consumer as its mission. With the implementation of ERP system, the company is continuously improving management level and customer service to achieve excellent operation. The active and dedicated management team and hardworking professional staff are the motive force for the enterprise's rapid development. ODM established the Sewage Disposal Center and obtained the ISO 14001 Environment Management System certification, as well as the honorary title of Zhejiang Green Enterprise. The company always actively fulfills social responsibility and participates in public welfare undertaking. ODM takes top priority to safe production and obtained the Safety Production Standardization National Level 2 certification in 2012. It is believed that the innovative personnel at ODM will create the most competitive CV joint and drive shaft manufacturer worldwide and bring ODM to a more brilliant future.